video with your girl Sandra. For today's video, I decided to give my boyfriend's pantry a whole new makeover. One, because I absolutely love organizing, and two, his pantry could use a little bit of an update, you know? Now, I'm not a professional organizer at all. I know there's people that do it for a living and they're really good at it. I just really love organizing and cleaning as like a side hobby. So if you want to see the steps that I took to organize the pantry, then keep on watching, or if you just want to skip towards the end, then you do you, boo-boo. So here's just a before video. Everything was just randomly placed. It might look like a regular schmegular pantry to you guys, but to me it just felt a little messy. There was no order, and yeah, just missing some pizzazz. For the first step, I frankly did not know how to go about this or where to start. So what I did is I went on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and just looked at some inspiration, look what other people did, so I can get a sense of like how to go about it, because I know there is some sort of structure to go about when you are organizing a pantry. Once I had a good idea, I went ahead and measured the shelves, and I drew a little sketch, kind of like a block diagram, so I can kind of organize my thoughts on what I want to go where. And then I quickly modeled it in SketchUp because I just had to, and it helps me fully visualize the space. And then I started to go on Amazon and look at containers, and not gonna lie, you guys, they were pretty pricey. So I only got 3, and I'll have those linked down below in the description box. But I also made sure that those containers were able to fit into the shelves, so that's why, again, why I modeled it in SketchUp. We also went to like this knockoff TJ Maxx store, and we bought these containers, which I'll post on here. So once the whole conceptual stage was done, I kind of knew where things are gonna go. It was time to get into action. We first cleared out the pantry and cleaned the shelves because, you know, you gotta start fresh and clean. Okay guys, with teamwork, we just emptied up all the shelves. We're just gonna clean everything, you know what I'm saying? Next, I started to place the easy stuff, so the containers and the kind of like larger food and items that I knew where I wanted to place them. He likes his gummy snacks. He's got a shitload of these. Now, for the rest of the items, we pretty much winged it. I wasn't too sure what containers will have what, and Chris was pretty picky about what foods he wanted in these containers because he wanted to make sure there's enough space for him to scoop things out. So here we are, just kind of figuring out a game plan and just kind of thinking what next steps to do. After we figured out the containers, everything started to come into place and started flowing, and organizing and putting all these different cans started to make more sense to me. Alright, so now I'm going to give you guys the rundown. So on the very bottom, we have his protein shake, we have his juicer, just some random aluminum foil. He has a big bag of rice there. On the very first shelf, we have his water bottles for easy access, and then some oatmeal and just a little bit of random packages, but it made sense to keep it there. So over on the second shelf, we have his pasta and sauces. He's very big on making lots of pasta, so I made sure to have it at his fingertips. There's a bunch of like kind of random cans, but it just made sense to place them there. And over on this end, we have his Honest Kids juice, and this is a container that I got from Amazon. I originally meant to have these cans into this container, but the cans were too big for that container. But I mean, it worked out for his Honest Kids juice. You know, it's a cute little display for it. This is more like his snack area, And these are the containers I used from Amazon. They fit in perfectly into the space. There's a little bit of an overlap, but I mean, it's okay there. We have his sparkling water on display, looks so pretty. And then all of his fruit snacks, he is obsessed with it. So I just organize it there, and then these are just like random fruit snacks and oatmeal packages. Over on the fourth rack, this is more like for spices and other types of sauces. This is a display that I got from Amazon. It's super cute and sleek. I'm obsessed with it. It just displays the spices so cute. Look at that organization. We did not buy the spice rack glass containers because we were kind of, saving time and money. So I just kind of categorized it by brand to keep it a little clean. And then over here, he has his coffee. He already had these jars, so we just placed them over here. And then those are the containers we got from the off-brand TJ Maxx store. So it just has beans and his graham crackers. And over on the top shelf, we have the sugar, flour, pancake mix, and paper towels. I did not get a chance to get the labels to have it on the containers, but it's pretty easy to tell which is which. The lighting just kind of makes it seem like it's all different, but he knows the difference. So overall, that was the pantry organization. I am pretty obsessed with how it turned out. I didn't spend too much money, and it just looks so much cleaner and nicer, don't you think? So cute. Well, that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you felt like I did a great job, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what was your favorite part about this. Hit that subscribe button if you like my channel, my videos, my content. And I will catch you guys on next week's video. Bye.
You know how we do. It's not for me to say you